देश में सिर्फ वैक्सीन की किल्लत नहीं है, ऑक्सीजन की भी कमी है और इसी के मद्देनज़र हर राज्य अपनी तरफ से कोशिश कर रहा है कि इस समस्या का समाधान हो सके। तमिलनाडु की अगर बात करें तो यहाँ पर वेदांता स्टेरलाइट प्लांट से ऑक्सीजन के पहले बैच को डिस्पैच कर दिया गया है। स्टेरलाइट के एक प्लांट से 4.8 टन लिक्विड ऑक्सीजन का उत्पादन करके टूटिकोरिन और साथ ही तिरुनेलवेली भी भेजा गया है। स्टेरलाइट कंपनी का कहना है कि वो रोजाना ऑक्सीजन के करीब 2 टैंकर्स भेजेगी और धीरे धीरे ऑक्सीजन प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाया जाएगा। बता दें कि साल 2018 में स्थानीय लोगों के विरोध के बाद स्टेरलाइट कॉपर प्लांट को बंद कर दिया गया था, मगर फिर ये पूरा का पूरा मामला सुप्रीम कोर्ट पहुंचा और चूंकि अब पूरे देश में ऑक्सीजन की भारी कमी है, इसलिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फिलहाल स्टेरलाइट को ऑक्सीजन बनाने की कम से कम अनुमति दे दी है और वहां पर प्रोडक्शन शुरू भी हो गया है। मुगिलन हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं और ज्यादा जानकारी लेकर। मुगिलन, गुड मॉर्निंग। सो ऑल दी होप्स were pinned on this particular plant in Tamil Nadu. Now that Sterlite plant has started production, but the quantity is pretty minuscule. If you can just expand and give more details as to how this particular process is going to be taken forward.
Definitely, we know Tamil Nadu is facing an acute shortage for oxygen. When the production of oxygen is capacity is only 400 metric tons, the demand has already crossed 450 metric tons. And more importantly, yesterday the health secretary has informed the Madras High Court in next 15 days the demand will go up to 850 metric tons of oxygen every day in Tamil Nadu. So now Tamil Nadu state government is looking in all options to bring in more oxygens to the state. And now we already know that after Supreme Court asking Tamil Nadu state government to explore options to reopen the Sterlite plant for oxygen production alone, we saw Tamil Nadu state government also giving its permission and all the necessary approvals, electricity, water connection has been given to Sterlite plant, and now the oxygen production has begun. Today, the first batch, that is 4.8 tons of oxygen has been already dispatched to two southern districts, that is Tirunelveli and Tuticorin, and this production will increase gradually is what we are hearing from the officials in Sterlite. When we spoke with them, they have confirmed that for the plant to get stabilized, once the plant is stabilized for the production will be ramped up is what we are hearing. Initially, the production was calculated to meet 35 metric tons of oxygen, but now what we are hearing is that the plant can ramp up the production of oxygen to 70 tons in the coming days is what we are hearing. So once the oxygen plant inside the Sterlite in Tuticorin start functioning in full capacity, it can produce up to 70 metric tons of oxygen, and that will be helpful for the southern district. There are 10 southern districts which can be catered with the oxygen that is produced from Sterlite. So now the health department pinning hopes that any availability of oxygen is good for them. So with this, Sterlite plant is also opening and starting production of oxygen will be a great relief for the health department and people of Tamil Nadu.
Right. Thank you, Mugilan, for sharing those details.